Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Minute claps back at Omek Jingemva ukuthi akhulume ngaye lapha ku podcast yakhe ukuthi why amadoda ahlala amshiya, does her cookie smells or something. Like shiye abantu abaningi abakwatile bashaqekile futhi ukuthi kungani angakhuluma ngalendlela ngalomnye mfati. Uthi mina lapha ku Twitter, my anti-pride era, my career has never been and will never be defined by my relationship status, and I was many before marriage and I will be many along after my divorce. To true love, Meg, get your copy out now. Kusho uMini Dlamini laphayana ku Twitter responding to what Umekji said about her cookie. So people felt ukuthi Umekji was very, very disrespectful towards uMini Dlamini and towards people who actually watch podcast yakhe, because as a man, as a married man, as a father, he was not supposed to talk like that about uMini Dlamini. So people felt ukuthi ngazothi ngalesinye isikhathi uMekji makakhuluma kawabali magama akhe uyaphosa nje, and for someone with a huge following or subscribers kufanele kawabali magama akhe lawa akhulumako instead of just talking nje because of views or because of likes, because of making money. So people are saying ukuthi uMini Dlamini has a family and bekumele ngabe umrespectile kunokuthi akhulume kabi ngale ndlela. So uthi uMini Dlamini yena uMini Dlamini bekaMini Dlamini before marriage, uMini Dlamini futhi after marriage. Uthi nje yena akadefinwa i-marital status yakhe. This was after they even said lapha kubo Twitter kokuthi kubo TikTok rather kokuthi he can't keep a man, he couldn't even keep his like a marriage for 3 years. You guys, people are throwing heavy shades on uMini Dlamini, and if you can notice, people are really hating on the girl, and I don't know why. People are really hating on uMini Dlamini. They hate uMini Dlamini so much. Lamzansi, I even once made a video where I was asking people voting, why do they hate uMini Dlamini so much? It doesn't make sense to me, because akasimuntu kuye kuma social media platforms maybe swearing at people or doing funny things on social media, but people are always dragging her, man. People are always talking about her. People are always throwing shades at her. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.